Hey friends, if the media keys are not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions, or maybe the solution in singular if that is more important. We have the play, pause, and stop media keys, and it has been reported heavily that it's not working. The solution was mentioned by one of these users, Paolo GM, and it has been confirmed by many users that it works. So, if you use Google Chrome, copy this path, which is Chrome flag for hardware media key handling, and copy paste it in Google Chrome and hit enter. It will lead you to the hardware media key handling. Change it from default to disabled and then click on relaunch because we need to launch Chrome once again. So it will start working for the browser. Now, as for Microsoft Edge, you'll have to copy this key, open Microsoft Edge, which is already open, and then paste it here, and then change it to disabled, and then restart it. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then let us know in the comment section of this video, and if not, yet let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.